Welcome to another video. So today I want to show you a way that you can make at least 500 shillings in a day working online. So if that's what you want to do, and of course maybe I should mention that you won't be doing anything hard, you won't be sweating or whatever you consider hard. So if that's what you want, I'll see you on the other side.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So today, I want to show you how you can make at least 500 shillings. I'm saying at least because what I'm about to teach you has the potential to give you a lot of money. It depends with the strategy that you will adapt, to implement what I'm about to teach you. There are some things that I want you to know that you need. The first thing you need is a smartphone. Yeah, so you must have a smartphone, and if you have a smartphone, you need an internet connection. That's it. You need nothing else. You need just access to internet, and that's it. There's this company known as HostPinnacle.co.ke. So HostPinnacle is actually a web hosting company. Yeah, so if you look at here, they sell hosting service. Now hosting is a service that rents out the servers. So what happens is, a website, when you start a blog, for example, this blog needs a home online. It needs somewhere to live. Remember, your website will have certain services, certain files. For example, you will have images in your website, you will have articles, you will even have audio files. For example, if you are using it maybe to host your podcast, for example. So all of these files need to live somewhere, and where they live is this thing known as a server. Now what happens is, a server is very expensive. It's really expensive. It's a really expensive equipment, not only to acquire but to maintain. Now, to make it easier, a company like HostPinnacle here rents it out. So they acquire the old server and then rents it out to people who want to host their websites. Now that's essentially what they do. Now they have an affiliate program. So there's this affiliate program where they pay you if you refer people to them. If you refer people to them who are looking for websites. So if you look at here, so this is their website. If you come here to web hosting, it shows you what they charge for their services. As you can see, these are starter. So this is the lowest amount you can pay per year. So their starter plan goes for 3,000 per year. So if you pay today, you pay 3,000 now, and then you pay 3,000 also next year at the same time. As you can see here, this startup plan here gives you unlimited websites, which means you can host as many websites as you can. They also give you a free domain name. So a domain name is something like this. Yeah, so HostPinnacle.co.ke is a domain name. It's something that you type into the browser to access a website. So for example, if you want to access my website, freelancing.co.ke, you must type that, freelancing.co.ke, into the browser, and that's a domain name. Now you need also that. Sometimes it costs money, but they are giving you for free if you get this startup plan here. And of course, you see here there are some other features. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about this. All you have to know is that you can host unlimited websites and you can get free domain name with them. And then of course there are other plans. So if you want to access more features, for example, you can see the space that they are giving you. It's almost more the same na the space ya simu yako. Yeah, so kama uko na simu ya 64 GB, for example, ROM, yeah, that's internal memory, maybe uko na 32. So web server pia hosting iko na space yake. Yeah, so your space means the space that you can use to host that files za website yako. So the startup plan here unaona iko inakupea 35 GB. So if you want more, you see you need to upgrade to this standard, that's 4,000. and you get 100 GB. And then of course if you want unlimited, you get this one, which you pay like almost 11,000 per year, and you get unlimited. Now you don't have to worry about all of this. I was just explaining it for you to understand what you will be selling, because I don't want you to feel like, you know, I'm just I'm trying to cause a scam. Yeah, it's not a scam. You will be selling a real service here. Yeah, so this is what you will be selling. Now let's look at the affiliate program. So the affiliate program they are running is, if you refer people, for example, to buy this service, they will pay you. So that customer you refer will pay 3,000. Yes. And then as a thank you, this company will pay you a part of that 3,000. How much? If you look at here, the startup plan that's going for 3,000, they will pay you 750 shillings. Ooh, yeah. So it's more than even 500. Yeah. So it's more than 500 that we talked about that you can earn per day. So if you refer a customer today, you get 750. So for example, if you refer someone and then they pay this 3,000, you get 750. If you refer someone and then they, instead of buying this, they get this for this one for 4,000, kulipa how much? 1,750 per sale. And if you refer for this executive, that's 11,000 per year, you get 5k, like that. Yeah, like that. And if you see here, if you refer someone who gets hosting only, you get 500. So you see, whichever they buy, you get at least 500 shillings per day. And you see what I was saying, that, you know, with this idea, you can make more than 500. For example, if you can refer up to 10 people, for example, in a day, you get buy here. This is the cheapest one, 3,000. Not only 750 times 10, you make 7,500 in a day. Yeah, so that's really cool. Now, before I showed you what you need to do exactly to get started, let's talk about how to sign up. So to sign up, you need to go to this portal. So I leave a link in the description to this website. If you come here and click sign up or portal here, it brings you here where you need to sign up. So what they need for you to sign up is really simple. They just need your name, your email, your phone number. You don't even need to fill everything here. Just provide that you're in Kenya. How did you found us? Make sure it's Kenyan shilling. Choose password. So you can even use this one for generating. Yeah, you don't even have to do that. Then answer this, and then tick this box that you've read their terms and of service, and then click register. Just like that, you are registered. Now, once you're registered, you need to log in. So let me log in and show you what the inside looks like. So to log in, just provide the email address you used to register earlier and the password, and then click login. Now, once you're here, this is the account that you will see. Come here to affiliates, and then it won't be like mine here. So you need to activate it somewhere here. Yeah, so they will ask you to activate to get your affiliate link. Now, once you've activated this, the link you will get. So you will see here your unique referral link. This is the link that you can send to someone. So let me simulate now. So as you can see here, I have like 369 clicks. So if I click it, it should be 369. So let's see if, so I've clicked my own link, and if I refresh here, I expect it to be 370 exactly, as you can see. So with this link, it's trackable. Yeah, so it tracks how many people have clicked your link and how many have signed up, and of course this is the conversion rate. So the conversion rate is, from those who've clicked your link, how many of them have bought. Yeah, as you can see, only one have bought from mine. Yeah, and that's, as you can see here, I have 850 shillings. Now you might wonder, if where did 850 shillings, and yet you don't see 850 here. So what happens is, I referred someone and they bought this one, but actually when you sign up, you get free 100 shillings in your account. Yeah, so if you want free 100 shillings, just go and sign up with these guys, and then of course that's it. Now to withdraw, I think you can see here, you will be able to to request a withdrawal as soon as your balance reaches the minimum required of 1,000. Yeah, so I'm just like 150 shillings shy away from withdrawing mine. Yeah, so to withdraw, you just need to reach 1,000, and then you can make a request, and they will send it directly to your M-Pesa. Now we are done with signing up. Now let me show you, let's talk about what you need to get people. Now you need to understand that watu wenye wanatafuta hosting ni watu wanataka kuanzisha website. So I'm sure you have friends, so just you can ask them, okay, nani anataka kuanzisha website? Then unaweza muelezea about the website or the company, umwambie okay, this company yako na hii service, and unaweza kurefer huko uende ubuy, and you can, unaweza kuwa honest na yeye, umwambie okay, ukibuy through my link, this is how much I make. Just being honest. I always try to be honest myself also, when I'm referring people, when I'm using links that I'm affiliated with, I try to be honest. Unamwambia mse okay, well, ukiclick hii link unaweza enda unaweza make something out of what you unaenda kununua huko. But the good thing is it doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, so even if I'm making 750 shillings, it doesn't cost you extra, of course, if you use my link. And of course, if you don't want to use my link, you can enda direct. But if ni beshte yako, of course, atajaribu kutumia your link. Yeah, so what you need to do is just look for people who want to start a website and then send them here. Now another company that I want to talk about before I wrap up is this company known as TrueHost. So actually TrueHost is the best. They are the best web hosting company in Kenya, and they win a lot of awards here and there. Yeah, so and they are cheaper actually than these guys. So let me show you. I actually host my websites with TrueHost. So if we go here, you can see their cheapest one actually is going for 2,000, 1,000 less than these guys. So they are cheaper. If ni weni mse unataka kuanzisha website, I'd recommend you go with these guys. Yeah, so I'd recommend you go with TrueHost because they are 1,000 cheaper, yeah, than these guys, and they have the best customer support. They also have so unaweza mpea mse the two options, yeah, either aende huku ama aende huku, because TrueHost actually have an affiliate program as well. They are running, and they give you 10% recurring. 10% recurring means as you can see, this service is annual. Yeah, so when you buy now, you pay 2,000 today, then you pay another 2,000 the same day next year. Yeah, now what happens is you get 10%, that's 200 today, then when they renew also, you get your 200. So that's the beauty of it. Yeah, that's the beauty of the service. So there you have it, guys. A quick way to make your 500 plus Kenya shillings online in Kenya. Of course, if you have any other question, let me know, and of course I'll answer them in the comments. Bye bye.